back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my at-home all-natural lip scrub. Right here, I'm just showing y'all all the ingredients that I use. Eventually, you'll see me go into my refrigerator and get some lemon juice. But right now, I'm just showing y'all I use measuring spoons. I got a knife to scoop something to store it in, honey, brown sugar, but you can use any sugar that you want, and some Vaseline. So right here, you just see me going into my brown sugar, and I'm just basically about to take some, put it inside my container, and mix my ingredients. I'm not doing any certain measurements because, like I said, it's to your liking. It's how much how much lip scrub you think you need, or whatever the case may be. I try to use a lip scrub every day just to keep my lips moisturized, especially like during the winter time. It's important to keep your lips moisturized and not lick your lips. But anyways, you see me adding the honey, and you want to always add more brown sugar than honey because you want to be able to scrub. Like if you add too much liquids and too much honey, it'll be too soft. You want to be able to feel that coarseness of the brown sugar. So as you can see, I'm adding the rest of a little bit of brown sugar. Then I'm gonna go in with some Vaseline for moisture. And like I said, I use the Vaseline for moisture because the honey does give you moisture, but just to add an extra little bit of moisture, I'm adding the Vaseline and for shine as well. And after I add the Vaseline, you about to see me go into the refrigerator and get the lemon juice, because like I said, lemon juice has lightening properties. It's 2021. Don't be having your lips looking like a black couch. Get you a lip scrub. Do a lip scrub at home. Go buy one something, please. It's not cute. Go get a lip scrub. Your lips should not be cracking. Like, you're grown. Your lips should not be ashy. You're grown. Moisturize your lips. Scrub your lips. It's not giving what it was supposed to give. Like, but anyways, yeah. You see me adding more honey because the consistency was too rough. And I'm just adding some and smoothing it out. And now I'm mixing it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not going to talk through the whole video because it's kind of like self-explanatory if you're watching the video and actually paying attention. As you guys can see, it's really simple. All you do is just put a little moisturizer on your lips, do the scrub, and then wipe it off and put some more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.